The worst is over as far as Cyclone Remal is concerned. Right now there are strong winds, but things are subsiding as people are also beginning to leave the cyclone shelter, which was set up by the government to ensure that people were evacuated and lives were not lost due to the cyclone.
Kolkata underwater. Flights hit, trains cancelled, metro services disrupted. Nearly 400 flights were affected as Kolkata airport suspended operations for 21 hours. Kolkata metro services were also affected in the evening. Railways also cancelled multiple trains. In some low-lying areas, houses were inundated by waters from the sea. But it was not just the capital of Bengal that was hit. The impact was harder in coastal areas.
Very strong winds in Bokhali in South 24 Parganas, and of course, you know, these are kacha houses that are struggling to cope with the winds. You can see the roof here blown away by the strong winds, and this side too, the embankment has been damaged, as a result of which the path here has been inundated by the waters from the sea. And this is of course in Bokhali where this situation is taking place.
Focus for the administration now is to restore power supply as several trees fell on power supply lines.
हमें जहाँ भी सूचना मिली कि कहीं भी जो है रोड ब्लॉक्स है, तो हमने रोड ब्लॉक को क्लियर किया। इलेक्ट्रिसिटी के ऊपर पेड़ गिरा हुआ तो उस इलेक्ट्रिसिटी के वायर को पेड़ से फ्री कराया, और साथ ही साथ जो कच्चे घर थे वहाँ पर जो है हमें संभावना थी तो उन लोगों को एवैक्यूएट करने के लिए कहा।
The Meteorological Department has also issued alerts for states in the northeast.
जो असम, मेघालय, एडजॉइनिंग मिजोरम, मणिपुर, त्रिपुरा एरिया है, वहाँ हमने वार्निंग रखे हैं 50 to 60 km/h, गोस्टिंग टू 70 km/h आज के लिए। टुमारो फर्दर रिड्यूस हो जाएगा 40 से 50 km/h।
Cyclone Remal has made landfall. Very high winds were witnessed, touching 135 km/h. And as some homes have been damaged, the focus has been on minimizing loss of lives, and timely evacuation and setting up cyclone shelters has led to minimizing loss of lives in this cyclone. With camera person Aniruddha Tripathi in South 24 Parganas district of West Bengal, Saurabh Gupta, NDTV.